You can't see the stock. But can you see it now? No, you can't. Yes, look at this. You can see it now. There's only 3 cups of stock in there. I'll make another 3 cups, but I'll put that in with the tomatoes, the lentils, and the bay leaves. Hello everyone, I'm back. Alex here from Easy Delicious Cooking, and today I'm going to cook what I think is the perfect winter's meal, something that will warm you up on a cold day. It's lentil soup. It's full of flavour and simple ingredients. You'll love it. I'm sure you will. Ta-da! Onions and celery. The pot is on the stove. I'm going to saute them very, very slowly for about 5 to 10 minutes. And in that time, I'm going to prepare the onions, the garlic, and the lemon. So let's put them in there and start the sauteing process. There's the carrots done. So now I'm going to cut the lemon, take the peel and slice it and cut it into very small chunks. That adds a little bit of the bitterness and a little bit of that lemon taste to the soup. Oops! Wasn't expecting that one. And of course you have to remove all the pips as well.
Ba 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 ba.
that took about half an hour to do, but at least it's nice paste. No, it didn't. Didn't take half an hour. That took about, you know what, I wasn't counting, but only a couple of minutes. So there's your garlic. I'm trying to be funny, give me a break. Isn't it interesting how in my everyday life, I think I'm a pretty funny, happy person. Actually, people tell me I am. And yet talking to you guys, which I can't see obviously who's listening, I find it very difficult. But something I have to get over. Alright, so the onions and the celery are almost ready. I'll put this in and mix that in as well, and we'll go to the next stage. Alright then. There's my tomatoes. Love this brand. Consistently good quality. And as usual, these are all fillets. I'll buy it in fillets and I'll chop it up very roughly because it'll break down with the cooking anyway. But by buying it in fillets, I can actually, like I keep saying, I've said this before, I know I have. Put it this way, I don't like it when it's crushed because I don't really know what they've done to it. I mean, I still don't know what they've done to it, but at least I can see the fillets of tomatoes. So that's it. So in a very short time, like a few minutes from now, not even. No, I'm going to put this in with the lentils, the bay leaves, and we'll go from there. Alright then. Okay, here we go. There's only 3 cups of stock and you can't see the stock. But can you see it now? No, you can't. Yes, look at this, you can see it now. There's only 3 cups of stock in there. I'll make another 3 cups, but I'll put that in with the tomatoes, the lentils and the bay leaves. Give it a good mix, put the other 3 cups of stock in and continue cooking with it. Oh, honestly, if my head wasn't screwed on the right way, I would forget it somewhere, and the time. Alright, welcome back. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes. I've just had a quick taste. Got plenty of salt, but it does need pepper. So I'm going to add pepper into it now. Drop the heat. Let it simmer now till it's ready. Of course, what determines whether it's ready or not will be the flavour, the depth of the flavour, and the almighty lentils. Are they cooked? They shouldn't take more than half an hour of simmering for them to be ready to eat. Okay, that's it. Next time we'll come back, I'll have it on a plate. How good is this? And on a cold winter's day, which is not what I am, it's raining outside like there's no like cats and dogs. However, it's warm, 23, 24 degrees. Anyway, I'm hopping on again. Beautiful, easy meal to warm you up, or cozy meal to warm you up on a cold night. Okay, there it is. It's ready. I've taken the lid off now. I had it on before, but yeah, I wanted to reduce a little bit more. Another few minutes, and I'll serve it. But that's what it looks like. It tastes amazing. Well, it does taste amazing. I've tasted it. The salt and pepper are fine. Okay, there's the bowl of lentils. It smells amazing. What I'm going to do is I am going to put some red wine vinegar in there. This is 2 tablespoons, so I'll put not all of it. I'm also going to put some black Kalamata olives in there. Love my olives. And some toasted sourdough bread that I've cut in strips. And a little bit of parsley. And that, my friends, is my version of the best lentil soup ever. Can I try it? Well, you don't know, but I'm gonna try it anyway, but oh, wow. Well, this is my lunch. I'm not going to wait. Watch me eat. Oh wow. There you go. Gone. Loved it. Okay then. This is definitely goodbye now. Till next time. Bye.